What's going on, guys? It's Dustin with Custom Offsets. We're back with another From the Gallery, and this time joining me is the one and only Glen Coco from Function Power Sports.
What's up, guys? I'm excited to be back on the channel.
It's been a little while, man.
It's been a hot minute. You know, CO, they throw me in every once in a while when they get a little bored. You know,
throw some little Glen Coco spice up in there, you know.
Spice in here, yeah. Heck yeah.
Awesome. So today's episode is From the Gallery. We're reviewing some of your gallery ads. So Banker actually went through, put a whole list of trucks together.
Dang.
We're gonna rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not so hot, 10 being freaking awesome. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go, but Banker made this?
Banker made the list.
That's new.
Spicy.
All right, let's roll.
Let's roll. Up first is a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 on Fuel Rebels and a 20x9 plus 1 offset. Radar Renegade RTs and a 35/12.5 in a 6-inch rough country lift kit. So I see he's got that, got a little window tint going on there. Got tired of my truck looking like the ordinary grandpa truck with only a few thousand miles on it. I tore it apart, put a 6-inch lift on it. Very happy with the turnout and very satisfied with choosing custom offsets for my wheels. Shout out to this guy.
Heck yeah, we should plug his Instagram.
There's no Instagram listed. Right.
Darn. Maybe next time.
Cool, so gray Fuel Rebel 6s, 35/12/50 Radar Renegade RT, so hybrid tire.
Okay.
Let's rate it.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, 8.
7.
Yep, it's good.
I guess like what I'm thinking is the wheels tie in with the truck paint really well. Colors on point. That truck from Chevy looks like it's basically everything silver paint.
Yeah.
So then to go with the gray wheels, super sharp. And I'm envisioning this as like that solid daily driver that you're gonna drive every single day of the year. The tires aren't sticking out like crazy. It's just a clean build, and you know, I gotta give it a 7 because Banker would murder me if I gave it anything less.
Yeah,
so.
it's a clean looking truck. I think I was talking with Dusty Johnson the other day about this actually. There's something so simple. Like I love my 14 wides. I do. I absolutely love 14 wides. But they're kind of a daily drive. Yeah. You know, like there's something super, super understated about a 9 wide and a 35 on a 6-inch lift that you can take that through the bank drive-through, you can take it in the mall, you can park next to curbs and not be scared. Like you don't have to worry about any of that stuff, you know? And that's what makes it, I think, super, super well. That nice paint match grill, all of it looks good.
Heck yeah.
I dig it. Up next is a brand new half-ton truck, this time a 2021 Ford F-150.
F-150.
This one's on Fuel Mavericks and a 22x12 minus 44. He's on 325 50 amp mud terrain attack MTs. It's like a 35x13, give or take. So solid option for you, by the way. If you guys can't find it like a 35/12 and a half, you can buy 325 50. It's about the same size. So this one's on a 6-inch BDS suspension lift. Fender flares. It's got the paint match grill, obviously.
It's a beefy setup.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Says he's got no trimming, but he's a liar because there's a little plastic trimmed right there.
He's definitely got that lower valance angled, so just a nice clean cut.
That valance is 6 inches, you know what I'm saying? It's freaking huge. Other than that, though, it looks good. He's got some window tint on it, and yeah.
I'm digging the lights. I didn't realize these new F-150s kind of have that same outline, just like the Super Duties do.
Yep, exactly. All right, let's rate it.
All right, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, 7. We just did the flipperoo.
We just flip-flopped, and I knew that was gonna happen without knowing it was gonna happen.
Yeah. I like it, man. It looks good. The headlights look good. I think for me, I don't know that I dig this new body style F-150 as much as I thought I did.
Well, maybe that body style doesn't dig you.
You know, I don't blame it, honestly. You know what it is? No. You know what it is? For me, it's the flares.
Is it the flares?
I don't like the flares. I don't know. I like a lot of wheel poke. So like flares for me are they take that away.
I mean, I'd say in general, I'm not a huge fan of flares, but keeping those factory side steps where you kind of have that bulky side step look.
Okay, all right, that's true.
Do help match up that body line on the side. If you didn't have flares, you would have some really solid stance look to this
Let me have that wheel hanging out, dog. That's what I want.
So I mean, overall, I think it's a super clean build. It's a nice lift. Again, a daily driver option, minor trimming. You can't really go wrong with it.
Yeah, exactly. Up next, 2020 Toyota Tacoma, little taco action.
And it's Taco Tuesday.
It is. Anyway, Ballistic rages on a 22x12 minus 50 because Ballistic gives you a couple extra millimeters of offset there. Amp Mud Terrain Attack MTs and a 33/12 and a half and a 6-inch rough country lift kit. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
3, 2, 1,
8.
9. Yep.
I'm keeping it at the 8 just because I do know there's a few things that could really take this build to the next level. Aftermarket bumpers front and back. Maybe doing some different side steps where it's got a good off-road look.
Yeah.
But I guess I like hidden steps. You know, throw some amp research on there, then we look sick. But the stance is badass. The truck's got the whole dark color scheme going.
Yeah.
It's super clean. It's wide. It's tall. For a Tacoma?
For a Tacoma, it's big, yeah.
Tall.
And I think it's hard to find a big wheel, small tire setup that looks good on Tacomas.
Yep.
And this guy did it, man. 2212s and 33s.
It looks
This
really
look
good.
good. He's got some spacers so it hangs out a little bit. I dig it.
And it's not like a rubber band setup. Because like
Correct.
I had 24s on 33s. That is a rubber band
That's a
setup. So,
little
like,
guy.
This, you still got a good sidewall.
Hell yeah, absolutely. Up next, the 2019 Ram 1500 on Archon Off-Road.
Can we just rate this like right now?
Lincolns.
This thing's fire.
26 by 14s, amp mud terrain attack MTs, and a 35 13.5 and a 5-inch rough country lift kit. Got a little chrome action on the
It's
front
clean.
there.
I dig it.
Looks super good.
I like
He's,
it.
you know, look, typical boat launch photo.
I've definitely done those.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
every
I mean,
truck.
we all have. No other notes, no wheel spacers, nothing like that. To be honest, I'm ready to rate it.
Dude, I'm so ready.
3, 2, 1,
10.
8. Whoa!
I don't give many 10s, and you guys can look at a bunch of FCGs last year. This is exactly my style. A beautiful white painted truck, so not the work model white, more of that pearl tri-coat kind of tone, and chrome wheels.
Okay.
It looks so dang good. Huge wheels with a fairly moderate lift, right?
Yeah, 5 inches, not small.
Nothing crazy, but those are some massive chrome wheels on an all-white truck. It looks so good.
I think it's got too much chrome for me.
I daily this like
I would
today.
love to see some of that paint matched. You know, I think it's just a little bit too much chrome for me. And I like chrome, but I think it's too much for me.
I think
Other than
it
that, I think it's dope. I love the 5th gen styling. I think it looks really good. Like the mirror caps, I think you could paint match, right? That'd be super cool. I think you could paint match, you know, or remove your body cladding on the side
To make
there.
this a perfect 10, it would have all that color matching done. But it looks so
yeah,
clean.
it's a good looking truck, man.
I
right?
haven't personally seen many 5th gen half tons lifted like that with that big of a chrome wheel. So,
It's lit. I dig it.
hell yeah.
Last but not least, the 2016 Chevy Suburban going a little dad mode.
feel.
Yeah.
Okay.
20 by 10 ballistic rages, 33 12.5 radar renegade ATs, and a rough country level. I like this thing. He says he trimmed the fender liner and slightly tapped on the metal inner fender, so just took a BFH and just tick, 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 you know, gave her a little something, something. Looks like he's got, all right, the max suspension adjustable height leveling kit with auto level for the Magna Ride, of course, and he's got some ceramic coat on the wheels there as well.
It's got a little bit of a tire poke.
I like this thing a lot.
Hey, I'm ready to rate it when you are.
3, 2, 1, 9.
5.
Get out of here. Go
So-
away. Go
so-
away. I can't even, what is this? All right.
So, I'm giving it a 5. Here's why though. I have a dream of building a really badass Suburban at some point,
Okay.
whether it's a Cadillac ESV Premium or GMC Yukon XL, and I
Okay.
would put a 6-inch lift. I
you
would
wanna go
stuff
big, yeah.
37s under there because most do 35s. So 20
Yikes.
foes.
24.
So this is just, it's a little too moderate for what I'm liking, but it is clean.
I just gave him extra points. I gave him like 3 extra points just because I respect the fact that this dude took a Suburban and was like, I still want it to look good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like my buddy Devin at Performance Auto Lighting, dude that built my headlights, has an Excursion with the 6-liter in it.
Heck
and
yeah.
he did like a 20 by 10 and a 33. And it's the same thing. It's a full-on dadmobile
Yep.
that has just a little bit of wheel poke in it. And so it's like, you know what? You can still be functional and be cool, and you don't have to worry, and all the kids will talk about your truck at soccer practice, and everything is
And
fine.
it's still
Yeah.
practical.
Exactly.
I like big SUVs
still
that are lifted.
works.
And I grew up in a town where there's 2 guys with Duramax swap lifted Suburban. So it's like,
Whoa,
I
okay,
love
okay.
that stuff.
Thanks for coming, buddy. I
Hey,
appreciate
hell
it.
yeah, anytime.
If you want to check out Glenn and all the power sports stuff, you're gonna like the UTV stuff, you know, you can do so, Function Power Sports.
Or just click shop on customoffsets.com and hit the drop down for
we got
HEV
that too.
UTV.
We got that too. Make sure you check them out, drop them a like, drop them a follow. And if you want a chance for your truck to be featured in the gallery, you gotta add it, customoffsets.com/ad, and that's it.
You're missing out if you don't add it. You should add
Add
it.
your truck to the
You
gallery.
be on this
I'm in there
video.
like 6 times. Like my Duramax is in there like 6 times.
I have a Dodge Dakota from high school that I put up.
That was when he was gonna take the scene actually. Anyway, that's enough. Have a great one. Peace.
Peace.